Namaste everyone. Today I am going to teach effective affirmations for teenagers. Yes, it's very difficult for any parent to get a teenager act upon something, to develop a discipline or to listen to any sort of a counseling or probably some suggestion or advice because they're usually rebellious and wouldn't want to practice. But if you can make your child recite these affirmations either early in the morning or before they hit the bed, then there can be an amazing shift. There can be an amazing positive performance in everything that they do because the subconscious mind is going to adopt these principles, these suggestions, these sentences and rewire them into all that they are and all that they do. So I'll advise that you ask them to make a note of these affirmations, put it on their mirror, and whenever they're looking at themselves, they can just read through these affirmations at least once a day. Of course, they can do this even otherwise whenever they are, probably facing their exams or when they are, petrified about something like maybe a stage performance or some sort of a exam fear or some sort of inhibition that they have in any aspect of wherever they are throwing their tantrums on. But at least doing this early in the morning can be of great benefit to them and help them understand which are those areas where they have to really work on. And helping a teenager understand their own challenges, overcome them on their own is one of the biggest things that a parent can do, isn't it? Yes. So let's start. I will now give you certain affirmations that you can ask them to repeat multiple times or do it every day consistently. Number one, I love myself. Self-acceptance and self-love is one of the most challenging thing for a teenager. So I love myself. Something as simple as this can be of great help to them. Number two, I know there's a lot of love in your family, but then sometimes because of the changes that the teenager is going through, this sort of aggression, vengeance, the blame game that comes up suddenly. So I love my family. I understand the feelings and emotions of my parents and I respect them. I choose my friends wisely. Yes, you can definitely pause the video and make a note of it or maybe record it so that it can be of great help to you later. Ask them either to do journaling, write these affirmations down or read them whenever they are free, just before they hit the bed, morning when they wake up. As I said, the best thing is to put it on the mirror. The next one, I enjoy my studies. I study with full focus and concentration. I am emotionally balanced. I do my projects and assignments with ease and grace. I love my life. I'm comfortable with my body. I accept gracefully the changes my body is going through. The hormonal changes in me is helping me become a better person. Every day in every way, I'm growing up to be a better person. I'm always connected with my soul essence. I'm aligned with my soul purpose. I handle criticism effectively. My dear friends, I handle criticism is definitely one of the most important affirmations for a teenager because children tend to get way too sensitive about somebody criticizing them, isn't it? And they vent out that frustration at home. Well, so telling I handle criticism effectively can be of great help. I take good care of my body. I eat well. In the name of diet, most of the teenagers start skipping their breakfast. Somebody would have passed some negative comments on their body weight, so they tend to just let go of all the nutritious food no matter how much their parents convince. So asking them to align to the need of the body by telling I eat nutrition food, I take good care of my body, intuitively helps them to choose what is good for them rather than getting fooled by the negative fancy criticism or statements that their fellow mates have made. I live in the present. I'm grounded. I believe in the blessings of the divine. I am my biggest support because sometimes children feel parents don't understand them, they don't support them. So tell them that they are their biggest support. Spiritual strength helps me to grow effectively in life. Tell them about the spiritual dimension of growth as well. I am my own competition. I'm working towards becoming a better version of my own self. It's easy for me to forgive and let go. I'm always thankful to the universe for all the blessings that I've received. Well, helping them develop an attitude of gratitude is one of the biggest assets that you can give to your children. You can in fact ask them to make a separate list of all the blessings that they have noticed in the past few days, at least once a while. So if they develop this practice, then automatically the nagging, the grumbling, the complaining will subside. Yes, I'm abundant. Now abundance has to be redefined. You have to tell them there is abundance of love, peace, harmony, health, well-being, and later also at some stage, wealth and richness. And finally, I am at peace. These are some of the beautiful affirmations that the child can practice. You can also sit with the child and practice, or you can have them written on the mirror and just read them whenever they are going in front of the mirror too. As a teenager, you have this tendency to go in front of the mirror many times, so at least one affirmation every time can help them, isn't it? Yes. So let me know which one of these were your favorite affirmations, and if you have any doubts, do not hesitate to post them in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to help you. Next time, I'll meet you again with another useful tip and suggestion on drugless therapy. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.